So the next part, what we're going to do is we're going to create labels that actually tell us something. So what we want to do is we want to look at the labels on this slide sheet right here. And you can see that the question's here and the name of the question is over here. So what we want is to be able to see the names of the questions that are actually being asked. So on the summary sheet, excuse me, on the recoded sheet, what we're going to want to do is just insert here a row. And once you insert the row, we're going to want to go to the labels tab, and you can see they're in the same order. Make sure they're in the exact same order. They are. Starting with A, 1A, and 1B, so forth. So we'll go to the label sheet and we're going to highlight cell E1, E2, hit Shift, Control, and down all the way to the end. Command C, go back to the data sheet, and in the very first row underneath the question number, you're going to want to hit paste, transpose, and all of the questions are now below the question IDs. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and create a concatenated field if you want to see both together. So you're going to insert a row and then a formula equals concatenate there. And we're going to concatenate the number, comma, quotation mark, double quotation mark, space, double quotation mark, comma, and then cell A2, and then close parentheses. So that should show you the entire question. And to drag that, you could either drag that across or just hit Command C, go to the next cell in the next column, Shift, and hit the arrow to the right, Shift Control. Oh, so it's just Shift Control, drag it all the way over to the very end of where all the columns are, and you'll now have a concatenated full question, so that when you have the information that you're looking to show for analysis, Control V, and you have all the questions with the question ID and then the question itself in the top of the rows. So you can see that this is the entire question. Another thing to make it a little bit easier is you want to highlight the whole row, Shift Control to the right, Command C, and then we're going to click Edit, Paste Special, and we just want